Good day, everyone. Learn how to remove background from Canva. So I have an image which I have downloaded and I will drag it to my Canva. And here is the image and I will remove the background in a second. So this is the image and I want to remove the background. What I would have to do is to click on this image, and at the left hand side we have this option edit photo, and I will click on that, and then we have this magic studio, and I just have to click on BG remover in Canva, and we will see the magic of the magic studio. It's actually working right now, and you can see we have successfully removed the background from the image in Canva. If you have find this tutorial helpful and quick, even if it has helped you in 1%, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, and please leave a comment. Have a wonderful day.